do not grab your miter sled like this. In this episode of Pimp My Planer, we are going to give the planer a new home. We're going to adjust the fence on it, make an adapter for the dust port, and put the thing on casters. This is some old footage, and I have learned a lot about table saw safety since then. So I say again, do not grab your miter sled like this. What I am doing wrong here is that I'm grabbing the block behind the fence with my left hand. That exposes it to the blade and is extremely dangerous. But back to what we are doing, and that is cutting down the legs of an IKEA lock table that I'm going to put my planer thicknesser on. Look, I am Nomad Makes. I cut off the legs of a lock table from IKEA that I had laying around to make it a little bit below flush with the workbench. But the planer was sliding a bit, so I thought I'd try some anti-slip tape and see how that works. One of the complaints I had with the planer was that the fence was not properly 90 degrees. Now I've figured out that there is a way to adjust that on the planer itself. So to me it looks like these two screws here adjust how far forward the fence can get, as they adjust how they touch against these teeth here. However, as you will see, it's quite a fiddly process. And the fact that the fence flexes a lot doesn't make it any easier. Fantastic precision. But as you can see, we got there in the end. I needed a way to connect my shop vac to the dust port on the planer thicknesser, so I designed an adapter in Tinkercad and printed it out on my Ender 3 3D printer. Need some cleanup. The adapter worked well, but now we need to get the thing on casters. Unfortunately, I don't have any video of that, but here you can see the final product. I was a bit worried that the IKEA lock table wouldn't handle the sideways forces, but so far it has performed really well, and I haven't needed to strengthen the legs at all. And here you can see the planer in use on its mobile base. Anyways, that is it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to leave a thumbs up. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. You will find a Patreon link and affiliate links to products I use and recommend below. Cheers, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.